मार्केटिंग ऑफिस आ गए हम लोग। देखिए काफ़ी कंस्ट्रक्शन तो हो चुका है। लेट्स गो इनसाइड।
Plan of our entire project. So as I mentioned, total land parcel is 15.1 acres, out of which this over here is going to be the 1.6 acres of the commercial space, which will be handled and managed by DSR. While on the other hand, this is going to be the remaining 13.5 acres of the residential space, which is handled and managed and constructed by Pavni itself.
So in this 13.5 acres, how many flats are there?
There are total 1,685 units.
Too
Okay.
much. How
Yeah.
many blocks?
Means high
Total-
density.
Yes, this is a high density project giving you an open space of around 68 to 70% of open space.
Okay.
Now, in addition to that, also you'll be getting 10 towers across the property, each being of 2 basement plus ground plus 19 floors. And the thing is that here this project is divided into 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1 of the project will consist of the 2.5 BHK tower, the 2 BHK towers, the 3 BHK towers, the 4 BHK tower, and the clubhouse. So possession for phase 1 is end of this year, December 2025, plus 6 months grace sum given by RERA itself. In addition to that, you'll be getting phase 2 of the property, which will consist of the other 4 BHK tower, the 3 BHK towers, and this is your bigger dimension or the premium 3 BHK tower. So possession for phase 2 is December 2026, and that is your RERA date as well, plus 6 months grace sum given by RERA itself.
Okay.
Phase 2 is sold out.
Phase 2, ma'am, we see here this E block that we have right now, this is only available on ground floors. G block is a bigger dimension of 3 BHKs, which we do have few units available here as well. Now here our F tower, we still haven't opened it up for sale. In another 2.5 to 3 months time, we'll be opening up this tower as well for sale. I block, we have only done a soft launch for it, but this is our 4 BHK tower. So as per your requirements, we'll be taking a look at this 2.5 BHK tower as well as this E block if you guys are interested in the ground floors.
No.
No.
Okay, so then we'll only take a look at this J block. So you guys can just go through the amenities really quickly. I'll just get the floor plans for 2.5 BHK
Yeah.
income, and then we'll take a look at the actual units.
ये इनका पूरा amenities है।
Service lift and 2 staircases. Now these 2 units over here are going to be the 1260 square feet apartments. These 2 are going to be the 1320 square feet apartments. And these 2 are going to be your 1380 square feet apartments.
Total 6 units on each floor.
Correct. Now here these 2 units over here, the 1260 square feet units are going to be of your east entrance, north facing balcony units. These 2 units over here are going to be of your north entrance, south facing balcony units. This unit right here, this unit is going to be facing towards the commercial block. So this unit over here is going to be of an east entrance, west facing balcony, and this unit over here is going to be outside facing. So this is going to be of a west entrance, east facing balcony. So do you all have any preferences for east entrance or north entrance?
एक्चुअल फ्लैट देखने जा रहे हैं। ये हॉल डाइनिंग है ये। दिस इज़ ओनली लिविंग एरिया। ओके ओके, सेपरेटेड इन डाइनिंग स्पेस। विंडो तो अच्छा दिया हुआ है ना? विंडो अच्छा है। किचन है और यूटिलिटी का स्पेस भी अच्छा है। यूटिलिटी काफ़ी बड़ा है लेकिन किचन थोड़ा। दिस इज़ कॉमन वॉशरूम, ये भी स्पेस अच्छा है।
Not straight.
Coming in, sir?
That is not parallel this way. So this, you see?
दिस इज़ अ सेकेंड बेडरूम।
Yes.
Somewhat tilted.
ये रहा इधर से व्यू।
Overall, the kitchen
फाइन, नॉट अ मेजर इशू।
हाँ
ये रहा बालकनी का स्पेस, बालकनी भी ठीक है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यहाँ 3 BHK नहीं है। ये क्या है?
What is this?
This is the 0.5 area that we're offering, sir, but this is more of a entry level of 0.5 BHK. So this one, if you want, you can convert this into like a wardrobe space, or if you want, you can also convert this into a puja area.
So this you are saying half. Okay, the point where you are saying this one. Okay.
This is, see, because if you guys are looking for 2 BHK, now this is 1260.
दिस कैन बी पूजा एरिया। और ये एंट्रेंस गेट होगा ना?
You are using Schneider Electric.
Yes. This is your entrance.
Inside you are.
दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट डायमेंशन ऑफ 2.5 BHK?
No, this is the starting dimension.
Okay, can we have a look at the largest dimension as well?
Entrance, not balcony.
East entrance, not balcony.
I was telling you. So this is the brick.
How much square feet this is?
This is 1320. North entrance, south balcony.
Oh, nice. This space is good.
This is your south balcony.
This is hall and dining combined, right?
Yes, this doesn't have any partition between the
हाँ.
living room.
That is one.
But that's why it is looking bigger. This is room with washroom. This is the second bedroom. This is the 0.5.
No, this is the kitchen utility.
ओके, दिस इज किचन। किचन ठीक है यहाँ का, नीचे वाले से तो यूटिलिटी में काफ़ी स्पेस दिया है, विच इज़ गुड। तो किचन ओवरऑल अच्छा है।
This is far better than that unit.
हाँ,
That unit was in understanding because of maybe of the structure. Only
हाँ, दिस वी कैन स्टिल कंसीडर एज 0.5 लेकिन सेपरेट। हाँ,
That's what I'm saying, sir. That is slightly bigger than our biggest 2 BHK.
क्योंकि इसमें वर्क स्टेशन बना लो या कुछ भी, एक किड्स
हाँ,
रूम
you
या
can
स्टडी
have
रूम,
it.
दिस इज गुड। वो पहले वाला तो उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा
And here
मेरे को।
outside also you can keep a good set of shoe racks over here as well.
हाँ,
as
दिस स्पेस इज
This
ऑल्सो
is
गुड।
your private area.
1380 ईस्ट एंट्रेंस वेस्ट बालकनी।
So this is of no use.
बट यहाँ पे कॉमर्शियल आ जाएगा पूरा, है ना?
सामने you will not
तो
get
मे
any.
बी हाई राइज पे
Commercial
थोड़ा।
is till which floor?
That is at the cheapest 12, sir. But since this is a commercial block, your ceiling heights are also a lot.
यार देखो स्पेस तो बहुत अच्छा है। आई थिंक दिस इज किचन और ये रहा यूटिलिटी।
Ceiling height is
9 फीट है सीलिंग हाइट, लेकिन इसका स्पेस भी बहुत अच्छा है। बट द ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज दिस कमर्शियल स्पेस विच इज कमिंग हियर।
See, that is why we have a west entrance east facing balcony. It's the same like this.
Because the area is more.
हाँ, यू सी कितना स्पेस है यहाँ पे बालकनी में।
This is also half I cannot consider. That was only half you consider. Point is this balcony will not make any sense if we have this.
So that's why, sir, there is an opposite apartment over there, which I'll show you guys.
Opposite to commercial building, right? The
No,
one
ma'am,
which
this is facing outside.
facing outside, okay. And 1380 square feet.
Yeah. So this is of a west entrance, east balcony.
Okay. Raised. This is the 0.5.
Yeah, this is the point.
हाँ, ये फिर भी ठीक है, बट हाँ,
This wall, right? It becomes like two different kind of room.
बट ये ओपन स्पेस जो इनका बालकनी का एरिया दे रखा है ना, बहुत अच्छा है।
Sit out space.
हाँ, ये हाई राइज पे जाओ तो ये थोड़ा ठीक लगेगा। ये डाइनिंग कह सकते हो आप। दिस इज़ लिविंग रूम, दिस इज़ डाइनिंग स्पेस। ये रहा किचन। विड्थ इसका कम है बट लेंथ इज़ गुड। यूटिलिटी एरिया तो इन ऑल फ्लैट्स दे हैव गिवन ह्यूज। इट इज़ गुड एक्चुअली। ये रहा, ये क्या है? दिस इज़ वॉश अनदर रूम विथ अटैच्ड वॉशरूम। सो आई थिंक ये मास्टर बेडरूम होगा।
What is the price you are paying normally? So
So you don't have to worry about anything because
ये पार्किंग एरिया है इनका. ओवरऑल 80% आई वुड से कि कंस्ट्रक्शन हो चुका है.